Hello aspirant, I am back with another video, and this is article from the Hindu today August 24. This article, the road to 2047 for Indian agriculture. There are lots of agriculture articles we got in the newspaper, but I think this article is in a very systematic manner, and there is lots of scheme and data is mentioned in this article. So I think it's a very useful for the man's perspective. This article is based on the futuristic vision of the agriculture. Transforming Indian agriculture depend on adopting sustainable practices like that ensure long-term productivity and environmental health. There are lots of techniques like the precision farming, genetically modified crops, and advanced irrigation such as drip sprinkler system. The particular thing I like about in this article is there is lots of mention of the schemes also, so we can write in our mains exam like the PM Krishi Sinchai Yojana. This scheme covered the 78 lakh hectares promoting water use efficiency through the micro irrigation. Indian agriculture sector faces lots of challenges like climate change, land degradation, market access issue. In 2016, there is the PM Fasal Bima Yojana. It is for the crop losses. This is a cornerstone of the agriculture risk management. And in this scheme is help in farmers who have lost due to the agriculture losses. Then same 2016 there is E-NAM scheme. It integrates market system. By September 2023, according to data available, 1,361 mandis are integrated, benefiting 1.70 million farmers and recording trade worth rupees 2.88 lakh crore. And this is huge numbers. Improves market access and ensure better price realization for the farmers. Currently, India's agriculture sector absorbs the 46% workforce and contribution in the GDP is 18%. If we see this data, this show imbalances of Indian agriculture. Sorry for little disturbance. And under the current government administration, overall GDP growth is 5.9% and at the same time agriculture is 3.61%. The agriculture sector is critical to the nation's socio-economic sector. By 2047, agriculture GDP might shrink to 7 to 8%, still employ 30% if there is no structural change implemented. According to UN projection, India's population expected to reach 1.5 billion by 2030 and 1.59 billion by 2040. Meeting the food requirement of this burgeoning population will be imperative. Food demand grow by 2.85% annually, and the same time population growth rate is 0.85%. Rationalizing food and the fertilizer subsidy and redirecting savings toward agriculture, research and development, innovation, extensive service are the crucial. There are lots of schemes every day by the central and the state government. Some are mentioned here. PM Kisan Samman Nidhi. It was launched in 2019. In this scheme, it was provided 6,000 annually. This scheme is benefited 11.8 crore farmers. Then next one is soil health card. Optimize soil nutrient use. Agriculture productivity. Until date 23 crore soil health card is distributed. And the soil health card is also benefiting the environment also, because it guides the farmers to use according to their need, not in the excess and they go through the subsidized form. So it also save the fertilizer and help in environmental sustainability. And because of the India's efforts, 2023 is a non-international millet year. Agriculture Infrastructure Fund 1 lakh crore support modernization and development of the post harvest manufacturing infrastructure within 3 years. 38,326 projects are sanctioned under this scheme. And although this scheme is create employment more than 5.8 lakh individuals and improve farmers income by 20-25%. The survey of the village, and there is another scheme, the survey of the village and the mapping with the improvised technology in village is called Swamitwa. It ensures the transparent property ownership in the rural India. September 2023 till more than 1.6 crore property card was generated, and also this scheme help in less recording of the we say land dispute among the villagers, their relatives, their family also. So in the other way there is this scheme is also create a social impact. And in this year budget for the 2024-2025, the 20 lakh crore for agriculture credit and the launch of the agriculture accelerator fund highlights the government proactive approach to fostering agriculture innovative and the growth. By embracing sustainable protection practices, leveraging technology innovation, and the implementing strategies initiative, India can enhance farmer income, meet the food demands of this growing population, and achieve sustainable development, inclusive and sustainable development. It's for today. Thank you.